Texas, we use two types of pipeline data to help with market research and lead generation. First is the new construction report that's found on the Texas Railroad Commission site, and we break it down here. We've got it by month, when the projected start of the construction date is, and then we have it by miles. That's the miles of construction that's going to be happening. And then pipeline distance, we're going to continue to populate these as we go, so we'll see that improve from a reporting perspective, but that's the size of the pipeline, so you can get kind of a reference. 29 miles of a 176 mile pipeline. Those are the counties that the work is going to be happening on. Here's essentially location. It's nice, there's some good data there. North Dean is kind of essentially the name of the pipeline. North and South Dean, what type of pipeline it is from a transmission perspective. And then we've got the permit number. The permit number can come in handy if you want to go in and find out some more data, so you can copy that. And then I've included a link into the Railroad Commission site where you can go in there and you can take a look at some pipeline information. And we just put the permit number in there. We do a search, and there is the permit. So we can come in here and in the action section say view the document. There's a lot of documents on a big pipeline, 312 documents that can be viewed on this pipeline. And a lot of the documents is going to be smaller, but that's essentially where we find the mileage and images and things like that related to this particular pipeline. The second document that we use or we collect is we look for, in that T4 that I just showed you there, we're looking for ones that are classified as new pipeline as well as pipeline addition. So new pipeline is what it says. It's a new pipeline. So we've got the pipeline distance and then the project distance. So they should match each other. And here we've grabbed some of the names. Again, it's going to continue to get better and more complete as we provide this as a service. And then down here we've got the pipeline addition, where the difference is that that's the length of the pipeline. And then so down here, and then that's the additional pipeline that they're looking to add out of that whole pipeline on that side of it. Again, if you wanted to drill down on it, in this particular case, when we're in the new pipeline addition doc, drop the T and just go 10037 from a search, and then I can come in here and then go 10037 and then do a search. And then typically it'll pop up. It could pop up with T10037. Well, I just want the one without it. And then I can come in here and say action, view document. Because this is a newer document, there's less of them. And then we see here new pipeline. So there is an example of the new pipeline. And then we can come in here and we can look at the image associated with it. So that is examples of the data. We send this out. The construction report only gets updated about once a month, and then the new pipeline and pipeline addition, we're going through that data weekly and providing that into our weekly reports, as well as being able to provide a summary report like this one.